Hello, hola, jambo, waidide. Welcome to the program. I'm glad you found time to join me today. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that you are aware when I produce the next episode. So today, I'm talking about theater technicians, also known as theater sterile assistants. These are very important members of the operating room team. And they have learned, they usually are trained about the equipment that are used in the operating room, the procedures that happen there, how to position patients during surgery, the medicine that are used, anesthesia, the stages of anesthesia, and how to safely handle patients in the operating room environment. Now, you may ask, once you've had this training, what do you do next? Here are a few things that you need to do in preparation for your exit so that you'll be able to quickly land a job and start earning using your certificate. As your course draws to a close, you need to have a CV, what we call a curriculum vitae. This captures your biodata, it captures the schools that you have trained in, and it captures the grades that you have got. It also talks about your objective in life. It may not be a long document. It can even be a one page or 2 pages only. Now, you also need to have copies of your certificates. These can be in soft copy as well as hard copy. Why do you need to have this? Because you now are preparing, you are readying yourself to the job market. And they need to see these documents in order for them to verify that indeed you are the one who has covered what you say you have covered. After that, you need to have network. During training, you are exposed to various doctors, anesthesiologists, surgeons, and nurses. Utilize this opportunity to inform them that if you don't have a place where you are going back to work, tell them that once you are done, you don't have anywhere else, so that they are on the lookout in case they hear of an opening, and then they will alert you so that you are able to join them, or you are able to know where the job opening is. That is about networking with your colleagues. Once you are done with the college, you are going to be given a transcript, then you will be given a certificate. Use this. As soon as you are done, you need to hit the ground running. Find out the hospitals around you and take your certificates in soft copy and also in hard copy. Take them to the hospitals around you and ask if there are any job openings. Drop them there. You never know a day when they will need someone. So another thing that you need to do is to volunteer. I can never overemphasize about volunteering. Most people have gotten jobs because they volunteered at one place or another. As you volunteer, or even ask for locum. As you locum in the place, locum is when you are given a job for a short time and you are not a permanent employee of the place. So once you work with staff, they'll see how you are working. And at this place where you are doing your locum or where you are volunteering, if your characters are good, if you are swift, there is a lot that they will observe about how you are working. And if there is an opening, they'll tell you to come in and fill it. The other way that you can use your certificate once you are done with the theater sterile or theater technician certificate course is you can even consider an opportunity abroad. There are companies that recruitment agency companies that come in to the various countries to get people to go and work abroad. Some of the companies you can find around which ones they are, since I am not promoting any of them. Be on the lookout about these recruitment agencies so that they'll be able to take your documents and you can go for an interview, and if you are taken, then you can proceed to have your career elsewhere. In case you, for one reason or another, you have passed, like I've seen some of the students who come for the theatre sterile assistant training. You find that they have passed, yes, but for one reason or another, they were not able to join any other, they never were not able to join like nursing or the other courses like theatre, like either nursing or occupational therapists or physiotherapists, whatever they wanted. But still, the opportunity is there. If you find a sponsorship, move on to the next level. Don't just say that you are only at TSA a certificate level. No, challenge yourself. I challenge you to move to the next level using your papers, and you can start on the lowest level or using the lowest level, and then you go on to become a professor, even to become a doctor in the field that you wanted. Because I have realized that some of the students, during the time they are doing their KCSE, you might find that you are sick. So the marks you got really did not reflect who you were. Or maybe you lost a relative and you are mourning during that time. And so it does not reflect who you are, what you are capable of. So use these, the things that I've talked about. One, as early as possible, get your certificate, get your CV, and get it in soft copy or even hard copy. Start asking around if there are any job openings. You can even consider daycare centers. They are called day surgery centers. In these places, there are usually surgeries that happen and your services will be required. So once you are done, there are so many job openings, you need to get up and action. Thank you and see you again in the next episode.